We tested tap water from 47 cities across America, and what we found in 38 of them will make you reconsider every glass you have ever poured from your faucet. Welcome back to the Real Bio Protocol, the channel where we break down the science of peptides, fitness, and health optimization that most people will never hear about. Today, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you think about the water coming out of your tap. We are going to cover exactly how it works, what the real science says, the results you can expect week by week, and exactly what you need to do to get the most out of it. Stay with us until the end, because we are going to give you the full protocol. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which contaminants are hiding in American tap water, what they do to your body, and the exact filtration protocol that actually removes them. Here's what the EPA and your local water authority tell you. American tap water is safe. It meets federal standards. It is tested regularly. Case closed, right? Not even close. The Safe Drinking Water Act regulates only 90 contaminants. Want to know how many contaminants have actually been detected in U.S. tap water? Over 300. The gap between what is regulated and what is actually in your water is staggering. A 2021 Environmental Working Group analysis found that 56% of Americans are drinking water with detectable levels of PFAS. Those are forever chemicals that never break down in your body. Your water utility is not required to test for most of these. They are not hiding it from you. They literally do not have to look. Meanwhile, cities like Flint, Michigan, and Jackson, Mississippi have shown us what happens when water infrastructure fails. But here is the part they really do not want you thinking about. Even cities with passing grades have contaminants at levels that research suggests may cause harm over long-term exposure. So what does the independent research actually say? A Harvard study published in Environmental Health Perspectives found that PFAS exposure at levels common in U.S. tap water is associated with thyroid disruption, immune system suppression, and increased cancer risk. The Natural Resources Defense Council tested tap water in all 50 states and found lead exceeding federal limits in systems serving 18 million Americans. Arsenic, chromium-6, nitrates from agricultural runoff, disinfection byproducts created when chlorine reacts with organic matter. These are not conspiracy theories. These are peer-reviewed findings published in major journals. A 2019 study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that long-term exposure to chlorination byproducts is associated with increased bladder cancer risk. The data is clear. Federal standards are based on what is economically feasible to regulate, not what is optimal for human health. Let me explain what these contaminants actually do inside your body. PFAS compounds accumulate in your liver and bloodstream because your body cannot metabolize them. They bind to proteins and disrupt hormone signaling. Lead crosses the blood-brain barrier and interferes with neurotransmitter function. Even low-level exposure impairs cognitive development in children and may accelerate cognitive decline in adults. Chlorine byproducts like trihalomethanes are absorbed through your skin when you shower. They create oxidative stress at the cellular level. Your mitochondria take damage. Your thyroid, which controls your entire metabolism, becomes a target for multiple water contaminants. Nitrates convert to nitrites in your body and reduce oxygen carrying capacity in your blood. This is not about fear. This is about understanding that water quality directly impacts cellular function, hormone production, and long-term health outcomes. Here's the protocol that actually works. Step 1. Test your water. Use a certified lab, not a home test kit. Environmental Working Group has a free database where you enter your zip code and see exactly what has been detected in your municipal supply. Step 2. Invest in proper filtration. Activated carbon pitchers remove chlorine taste but miss most contaminants. For comprehensive protection, you need a reverse osmosis system or a high-quality multi-stage filter rated for PFAS, lead, and disinfection byproducts. Brands like Berkey, Clearly Filtered, and AquaTrue have independent certifications showing actual removal rates. Step 3. If you shower in unfiltered water, consider a shower filter to reduce chlorine and chloramine exposure through your skin. Step 4. Remineralize reverse osmosis water with trace mineral drops because RO removes everything including beneficial minerals. Week 1, you will notice the taste difference immediately. Week 2, some people report less skin dryness and irritation after showering with filtered water. Week 4, your body has cleared some accumulated chlorine byproducts. Week 8, with consistent hydration from clean water, many report improved energy and clearer thinking. Week 12, you have significantly reduced your ongoing toxic burden and given your detoxification pathways room to function optimally. You now know more about your tap water than 95% of Americans. You understand what is in it, how it affects your biology, and exactly how to fix it. Clean water is foundational to every health protocol. You cannot optimize hormones, build muscle, or recover properly if your water is working against you. The science is out there and now you have it. That is why we are here. This is the Real Bio Protocol. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs it and tune in again for the next upload. See you then. If you enjoyed this upload, do not forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. Tune in again for the next upload. This has been the Real Bio Protocol. Sources: Environmental Working Group 2021. PFAS detected in tap water serving 110 million Americans. Harvard Environmental Health Perspectives 2020. PFAS exposure linked to immune and thyroid disruption. International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health 2019. Chlorination byproducts associated with increased bladder cancer risk.